Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention? Hello, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. Today is Tuesday, February 14th, and I'm sorry that I cannot be there. Today, while I am gone, I have the following expectations. Number 1, you will be respectful to the substitute teacher. You will follow all of our classroom policies. You will not ask for a hall pass. Today, your goals are to complete the passive and active voice worksheet, then log into Google Classroom and take your quiz. So next week we have a multiple choice assessment. The test that we're going to take is based off of the exact kind of questions that will be on your final for this class. One of the questions on your test asks about active and passive voice. This is something that you learned in middle school, but I wanted to refresh your memory and make sure you will do well on the test. Active voice describes a sentence where the subject performs the action stated by the verb. This means that the subject is the doer of the verb. In passive voice sentences, the subject is acted upon by the verb. So the subject is the receiver of the verb. Look at the two examples I have at the bottom. Active voice is where Miss Dwyer pet the dog. So Miss Dwyer is the doer, the subject, and the dog is the object that receives the verb. So the subject, Miss Dwyer, is the doer of the petting. The passive voice example says the dog was pet by Miss Dwyer. You'll see that the subject of the sentence is the dog, and it was the receiver of the petting. Hopefully that makes sense. On your worksheet, you need to rewrite the sentences written in passive voice into active voice. Circle the subject and underline the verb. On the following sections, rewrite the sentences according to the directions. You might be asked to switch from passive or active to passive voice. When you log on to Google Classroom, there is a final quiz on the Scarlet Letter. I have given you a list of questions, and you need to pick 2 and answer them by creating a new Google document. There's a list of about 7 or 8 questions, and all you have to do is answer 2 of them, so I wanted you to have some choice on this one. Once you click on the assignment title in Google Classroom, it will take you to the page where you can click on the +Create button to type your responses into a document. Copy and paste the questions you are answering into the document. This quiz will be due on Friday. So, by the end of class today, you need to complete your active and passive voice worksheet and get started on that Scarlet Letter quiz. Tomorrow we're going to go over the expectations for the project, and you guys are going to go ahead and get started on that. I hope y'all have a great day. Don't miss me too much. Be good. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.